All right, y'all, welcome back. You know what time it is. It's time for the Denial of the Day podcast with Bellator Claims.com. And I'm here with Chris. He's in the Bat Cave. Where are you today?
Yeah, the Bat Cave, the Superman Cave, whatever.
The Superman
I'm gonna
Cave.
start. I'm just gonna start wearing rock climbing gear. How about that?
Yeah, that'd be great, actually.
Yeah. So
So we're talking about something that is more on the law and attorney side of things, but we're just going to speak to you from our perspective as public insurance adjusters and what that means. Chris, what are we talking about?
yeah, so we're actually gonna talk about bad faith, and
What does that even
that term.
mean?
Yeah, so that term gets thrown around a lot. You know,
Yes, it does. We hear it a
insured.
lot.
We hear it a lot. Yeah, insureds feel like their insurance companies treating them with bad faith, and again, we're not attorneys, but we've seen enough to know, kind of an idea of what bad faith is. So that's what we're
Right.
discussing.
There's a very technical term in most states, and you have to almost like there's four check boxes, and you have to check box one, check box two, check box three, check box four. And I think box four is basically proving that the insurance company knew that they were committing whatever it is that you're accusing them of. And it's a very high bar to set. And most people, like Chris said, most insureds are like, well, they're acting in bad faith. They might be acting in a way that is not helpful, but
Yeah.
in technical legal terms, probably not. That's just my guess. And if you just took out your checklist and you look through it all, probably not. But it does get thrown out a lot because what I think most people are saying is the insurance company is actually not acting in good faith. Now,
Yeah.
now we're talking, right? So yes, I would agree them not paying a claim until we get involved is not acting in good faith because when we get involved, we didn't change any dynamics of the claim, the policy, the claim scene, nothing. All of it's the
Mhm.
same or similar to when the insurance company saw it. Why did they change their mind when we got involved? Well, I'll tell you. It's exactly what just happened with Chris and I. We started taking on a claim last Monday.
Mhm.
And 2 days later, the insurance company magically increased the claim like $89,000. Well, why would they
Mhm.
do that? Well, because they know what we know. They know that we know that they know they should have done the right thing and they didn't. And so that's kind of what I believe most insureds when they are frustrated. They're not really ever frustrated at us, but just kind of with us and just venting because the insurance company's not acting in good faith. Like, why aren't you paying this claim when it's so obvious? Chris, you and
Mhm.
I know about this claim down in Denver. It's a stucco or ephes
Mhm.
material building, and there is hail damage all over it. The insurance
Mhm.
company paid for a property that was near that same insurance company, same storm. They're telling us, oh, there was no hail damage from that storm at this building. Okay, then how come you're paying for a building down the street? Same insurance company, same storm. You can't have it both ways. Now, that would be why isn't the insurance company acting in good faith? It's
Mhm.
not. They're acting in bad faith. We don't know all the details, and so we don't know what's happening behind the scenes. It's really hard for us and attorneys to get over that hurdle legally to say this is bad faith. But I'll leave that conversation for you, the insureds or contractors, to speak with an attorney and make sure that you understand what's going on. Chris, I'll give you the last word.
Yeah, last words are if you feel like your insurance company is not or acting in good faith, get us involved right away. ASAP, please. So that way we can take it over and hopefully bring you back to pre-loss condition. That's what we do.
That's
So,
right, BellatorClaims.com. Thank you so much for joining us. We'd be honored if you'd subscribe to our channel and like, comment, and share this with everybody around the world. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one.